If you want to convert a black and white picture into color picture, this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you how to do that. You can also improve your blurry image, you can also remove background of your image, everything you can do using just this one software, which is from AVC AI. Hello guys, I am Vishal from TechZonical. Now let's get started. Let me walk you through how it is done, and it is pretty easy also. You don't have to worry about anything, and the AI is working in background pretty decently because I converted many of the pictures from black and white to color, and then also I improved the quality of those images. So a lot of options it can provide. Background removal is also very interesting in this. After you click the link given in description box below, you will land on this page. This is AVC AI, which is an online tool, and you can get a better photo and quality with power of artificial intelligence. It can do multiple things with your image of any resolution. You can convert to high resolution and enhance quality by denoising, sharpening, everything. Face retouching is also done just by AI. The best feature what I liked about this online tool is converting your black and white image to color image, which is fantastic. I will show you, but before you get started, you have to log in. So I will log in with my email ID. After your first login, you get 13 credits by default, so you can test it, try it. You can also get free credits by just clicking this button over here and earn free credits. So you get 60 free credits once you follow and subscribe. And later you can upgrade it to anything. There are monthly plans, so 100 credits for each month for $9.95 and so on. And there is also an option pay as you go, so 50 credits for 19.95 USD and so on. So you can choose any of the option, but I want you to test at least the free version because 13 credits are by default free of cost. Let me now introduce you to this face retouch and denoise feature. A lot of features are there, so it is pretty straightforward. You don't need to understand much here. But the first feature that I want to highlight is converting a black and white picture to bring them a new life, because it will colorize that image. I have few sample images over here. There are total 6 items I have. I will convert each of them now and show you the result, exactly how it looks. First, let's convert this dog photo to a color photo, which is fantastic. I already tested it. To upload the photo to online tool, you just need to click this upload image and choose the source image, which is this black and white dog photo. Now this is getting uploaded and it is now ready for conversion. As you see, there are multiple options: denoise, upscale, remove background, colorize. So I will choose colorize, and render factor you can choose. You can increase to have much more details, and or you can choose it to medium setting. Now let's start processing. You have selected one image and need 1 credit. Now it is ready and converted. You can click this preview icon over here and it will load the preview how it looks. As you see, the input resolution was also 1280 by 465 pixel and the output resolution is also same. So there is no change in the image size because we have just converted the black and white picture to color picture, and this is pretty fantastic result. This is what our image was in black and white, and it has colorized that image into brown dog, which is looking fantastic. Let me download this and show you actual quality of this image. Here you go. As you can see, these are pretty nice details. It doesn't look like it was a black and white picture, and it has converted it to color pictures. Let me show you the file information. What is the actual size of this file? So this is 211 KB photo. Let me also show you the source photo. What was the size? So if you see, this was 233 KB and this is also almost same size photo. So this particular online tool is retaining the quality as it was earlier in color photo also. Let me show you for another image. Here is another image which is into black and white. Now you need to untick this and just tick mark this one. Click start process. It will again say that you have selected one image and 1 credit is required, and let this work. So let's see how does it look. And you can see this is pretty marvelous result. The earlier image was in black and white, entirely black and white. How nicely it has added sky color, mountain color and the dust color. Even the road presence looks quite amazing. Here you go. You see, the quality of image is not disturbed and it has been colorized. But I have another image which is a bit complex. Let me show you. For example, this image. This image is quite, almost blurred out. And let's see if it can colorize this kind of image or not. I'm not pretty sure, even I have not tested it. But let's see how this online tool performs. Image to process, then I will select upload new image. Now I will select this one and again colorize. Let's set render factor to highest and start processing. You need again 1 credit. Click yes and the rendering has started. This is now ready to use. Let's see how does it look. So this looks like a painting rather than a photo, which is kind of very okay result. I will not say it's a bad result, but it is pretty okay result. So you can download this image. Let me download it and show you. Here you go. You see the grass here. These are quite shadowed grass, but there are still little bit green color added to this. And the horse color is pretty amazing. I can't believe how this AI software is working. Pretty decent result. Nobody can say it was a black and white image. If you are able to notice, look at these green leaves over here. Because in the earlier picture, everything was totally dark and black. And now it has added colors over here as well. So this is all about how you can convert your black and white image to color image. But let me show you some other capabilities of this software. There is one great option provided by this software is upscaling. You can upscale any image by 400% and sharpen the blurry images, which is fantastic. I also tested this one. This photo, if you see, I will show you the properties. This is just 68 KB image. Let's convert this. I want to improve quality for this particular image. So I will just select it and upload it. So it is now ready. I will select this one. And now I want to not colorize it because it's already a color photo. I just want to upscale it. So let's try the 400% and face refinement is also included, but there is no face in this image. So let's try doing only 400% image and let's not select face refinement also. But in case if you have any face in your image, for example like this, you can select this face refinement so you can retouch the face also. In case of 400% upscaling, it may require more credits because it's anyways increasing the quality. So one image will consume 4 credit. The processed photo will be deleted after 72 hours. So you have to download and keep them. Now it has converted it. Let's have a preview of this particular image. There is significantly much better difference as you can see. This was our earlier image and this is the clear image. Pretty different results. Oh my god, this is mind blowing. You can download this image pretty easily. Now this image is 657 KB in size and earlier it was just 68 KBs. This is pretty detailed image. It has just converted our low resolution image to a high resolution image, which is fantastic. Also retaining a lot of details, and the picture looks overall quite amazing. Now let's try to denoise some images, which is this one. This is also very small size image. Let me show you the properties. This is just almost 38 KB photo, which is pretty bad. Let me show you the image how it looks. You can see there is a lot of details missing, blurry images, everything is there, right? Let me import this one and now I will only select this particular image which is into small size. I want to denoise this, so it will just denoise my image. Let's have a preview of this particular image. This is how our earlier image used to look like, and after this it is pretty clean. You can download it, and this image size is now 559 KB. I will open this one. You can see it is looking pretty clean. I won't say it is a pretty fantastic result, but overall the image quality is enhanced and it is denoised. You don't see any particular those grainy noise in the image. Those all things will disappear and the photo overall will look pretty decent. Now let's try doing background removal for one image. I want to show you how exactly it is doing that one. So here I have selected this particular image, and if you want to notice the size of this particular image, it is pretty decent size, 149 KB photo. Let's import this and now it is ready. I want to remove background for it. So let's remove background, select this one. Let's start processing. And again, for background removal, again you need just 1 credit for one image, which is fantastic. And the image size has been increased to 757 KB now. Let me open this particular image. Oh my god. You see, there are hairs, right? And even it has managed to remove the background. It doesn't look anything bad over here. It is most practical background removal what I have seen in any online tool basically. which is fantastic. With just few clicks, no selection, no drama. If you want to Photoshop something and remove the background, it takes a lot of time to do that. But here, at one click, you can do it. As you saw how this multiple options provided in this particular online tool is handy for you, I have provided the link in the description. You can go and check this out and register yourself, and a lot of free credits available for this online tool. That's all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye and take care.